Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to delete your Play Games profile data on Gmail. If you want to remove your Play Games profile data, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your device. Step 2. Click on your profile picture. Step 3. Tap Manage your Google account. Step 4. Select Data and Privacy. Step 5. Scroll down to download or delete your data. Step 6. Tap Delete a Google service. Step 7. Choose Delete Play Games. Step 8. Confirm your action. Step 9. Tap Delete My Content. Step 10. Lastly, tap Delete Play Games. By following these steps, you can easily delete your Play Games profile data on Gmail. Watch the video for the complete tutorial and ensure your Play Games data is removed from your account. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.